Hello guys, welcome to my channel. My name is Perry and here I talk about faith, type 1 diabetes, mental health, lifestyle. So basically today I'm going to be talking about something I think I've made a video about, and that is self-esteem. Self-esteem when it comes to the way we view ourselves, the way we view our body. So please, if you're interested in this video, please keep watching, and if you're new here, like, subscribe to my channel and click on the notification bell so you get notified each time I post a new video. So let's get into this video. So basically I've come to notice, or I've come to know that low self-esteem is something that a lot of people deal with, especially females, especially in the teenage age and everything, tend to deal a lot with their body image, because we've been given a picture of what perfection should look like. We've been given a picture of what beauty seems like, and that is something that troubled me so much when I was growing up. Like, I have experienced that too, like a very deep level, because basically I basically have a skin that is different from a lot of people around me. I have a very thick skin, and one thing is that I think one thing that people have the idea of is that if you're a female, you should have a very soft hand, a very soft skin. Guys, my skin is not soft. I have a skin of somebody that used to gym, and I've never entered the gym in my entire life. That's alone brought a lot of comments, people commenting on my skin, my body type. I've never had a flat tummy in my entire life. Let me be honest with you. I have done workouts, I have exercised, I have done everything. I've drink tea, and I've never had a flat tummy in my entire life. That is it. My tummy has gone inside, like almost flat but never flat. So you can see, like, body image is something that it has affected me, the way I view myself. But now I am in the journey of recovery. I'm in the journey of healing from those thoughts, from those, the way I view myself and everything.
Hey, that's pretty good.
And I would like to share some things that have helped me overcome looking at myself in a very low manner, my body image, and not being satisfied myself. So I would love to share it with you guys. So number one is understanding what beauty is. I think this is what I needed to understand. I was talking to somebody one day, and the person asked me, like, who sets the standard of beauty? And I'm like, come to think about it, it's humans like I am, humans like me that set that beauty or standard. And then they try to tell you, like, oh, if you're too shapy, it's bad. If you're not shapy, it's bad. If you're too fair, it's bad. If you're too dark, it's bad. And then they start selling products to you, bleaching cream, and all those stuff. And I'm like, who sets that standard? It is humans like us. Do you get? So we can set a standard for ourselves. We can set a standard of beauty for ourselves, and that standard of beauty should be ourselves. Like, I am a standard of beauty, or the standard of beauty. The girl next door is the standard of beauty. Each and every one, the way they are, is the standard of beauty. That beauty can be improved on, but should not be changed. That is the honest truth. It should not be changed. Oh, I would like to have a booty like ours, so I won't go to plastic surgery. Not against plastic surgery, not sucking against people who do it though, but the standard of beauty is ourselves. Like, each and every one of us, created differently and beautifully. The other thing that helped me was to stop putting pressure on myself. See, the pressure of the world will continue. People will keep on commenting on you, because, like they say, beauty is in the eyes of the beholder. To someone you're beautiful, and to somebody else you're not. So people will keep on commenting, people will keep on saying things and everything. People will keep on creating bleaching cream and cheap. See, like, guy, but you need to stop putting pressure on yourself. You need to start appreciating yourself much more, and stop putting pressure on yourself to look like somebody else. My dear, you are not somebody else. Somebody else is not you. So stop putting pressure on yourself. And that will bring me to the next point, which is appreciating yourself. See, sometimes just walk up to the mirror and say, God, you create. God, you create. Like, look at those good things about you. There are things that people admire about you that they will want to have. So appreciate yourself. No one is going to appreciate you more than you appreciate yourself, more than you appreciate God for creating you the way He created you. So appreciate yourself so much, whether you are dark skin or light skin. Please, you are beautiful. Like, you are amazing. No, just take care of yourself. Like, when I say take care of yourself, dress well. You don't need to dress in the most expensive outfits per se. Just dress okay. Dress okay with what you have. Style it. Walk confidently. Believing in yourself. That will bring me to the last point that I have for you guys, and that is words of affirmation. See, saying words of affirmation to myself has been one of the best things that has ever happened to me, and most of my words of affirmation comes from the Bible. Like, if not all of them comes from the Bible, because one thing I've seen is that the beauty standard of the world always changes, but the word of God concerning myself will never change. And when I noticed I had a low self-esteem, I also traced it to not having an idea of my identity, confusion in what my identity was. And finding my identity in the scriptures has brought me to the place whereby I can, speak those scriptures to myself. Those are my words of affirmation. The word of God said, I am beautiful, so I am beautiful. There is nothing you want to say, guy. And speaking that to myself every day is been amazing. That doesn't mean there are no places in my life or places in myself that I don't want to improve on, or that doesn't need improvement. There are places like that in my life that needs improvement, character wise and things like that. But see, the way I am now, I am beautiful, and I can only improve that beauty, not change it. I don't need to change it. You get it? So affirming myself, telling myself those things every morning, like waking up in the morning, looking at the mirror, I'm like, I am beautiful. I am God's creation. I am God's princess, has been one of the most amazing things I have ever done to myself, like I have ever done in my life. And see, I won't lie, till today there are still some things, some characters that I got from having a low self-esteem that I still see in myself basically. But consciously working on those things, consciously telling myself this, affirming the word of God to myself has been amazing. And basically, I won't change myself for anything. I won't change myself for anything. I will improve some things about myself, but I will never change myself for anything, because I am beautiful and all that. So basically, I've come to the end of this video. I do hope that you enjoyed this video and it will help you. It will basically help someone out there to see yourself, to say that you are beautiful, amazingly beautiful. Like, you are a speck that nothing can compare with.
Oh my God!
So yeah, come to the end of the video. Thank you guys so much for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe if you've not subscribed. Hit on the notification bell again. I'm reminding you, and I'll see you guys in my next video. I love you guys so much. Bye.